RC TOGO. Overdose, go. He's the owner. Of the chassis.
Okay, tell me about your chassis.
So, overdose. no overdose. Tamiya T. What is?
A04.
A04. Do you know this chassis?
Ah, yes.
TRA4.
TA.
TA04.
And so
Wow.
So many changes.
yes, here this shock tower is 3D printed.
Yes.
And here. あれこれも?
That's been 3D printed.
Yeah, here as well, and also upper arm as well.
Yeah.
Wow. Yes. Front bulk is also 3D printed. Here,
Battery holder.
but yeah, as well.
And make sure you get this, right? Like,
Yeah, here.
that.
Titanium.
Yeah, it's like
I don't know.
that's where you make it clean, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is not suitable for
No,
YouTube
that's
now.
what it says.
Cut.
It's called 宇宙企画.
Very important.
Very famous company.
Very famous.
Okay.
And there, well, motor mount I think TA04
Stock.
stock and reverse.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's usually the midship layout, but now changed to the rear motor, rear drive. And here also the metal plate
Oh, for
weight.
balance,
For balance.
Yeah.
It's quite heavy.
Yeah.
I think more than 100
Okay.
grams. And here is the counter gear.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
In between spar and pinion gear. To change to I think for how to say ハントルクなんて言うんですっけ?
Foggy.
Foggy, like
Oh
squat.
yeah.
Squat.
How do you say?
Squat.
Squat.
Like squat.
Like
これ?
Like
Squat.
squat. Yeah, squat.
はい。
はい。Squat.
いうことでね。で、0.5 degrees. And do you have any questions about this one?
How does it drive? That's the main question.
これ乗った感じどうか。
クソやりにくい。
Piece of shit.
Okay, cut.
we'll all be free someday. We'll live as one family in a sweet harmony.